Hey crafters, for today's DIY, we will be making a patriotic clothespin wreath. I will list materials used in the description below. Let's get crafty. Let's begin with painting our clothespins with acrylic paint. I used apple red, and to dry your clothespins, any small rag will do. I started off with painting my clothespins except where you see that I'm holding. This is so you don't get paint all over your hands or thumbprints on your clothespins. Place on your rag, and now you can paint the rest of the clothespin. For the blue clothespins, I used ink spot acrylic paint. I liked the coverage this gave my pins, but you may also spray paint. This is just what I had at home. Moving on to our wreath, I painted an ink spot blue as well. I will be providing item link below. Once dry, you are ready to add your pins. Insert them all the way down and make sure they're nice and snug. Your pins will be a little wobbly, so to fix this, I added some hot glue to the back. I noticed my painted pins were staying straighter than the ones I didn't paint, so I simply held the unpainted pins with my hand in desired place until the hot glue dried. Notice I left a little space in the middle. This is where my twine will go, so I can hang my wreath. Now we can move on to our second row of pins, and for this part you simply clip them on with no glue necessary. Next, I'm making a bow for my wreath. For this part, I'm cutting my ribbon in three, 2 in 14 inches and 1 in 12 inches. Glue your ends together, one of the 14-inch ribbon and one of the 12-inch. By the way, these finger protectors to keep me from getting burned are awesome. I'll include link below. Let's combine our 3 pieces together now. The unglued ribbon will be in the back, the bigger one we glued in the middle, and the smaller one at the top. Scrunch the middle part and you can tie together with some twine or with a small wire. Fluff up your bow and bring down the bottom 2 hanging pieces down. I glued my bow with a hot glue gun. I found this star strip decor with 3 stars at Dollar Tree and will be using 2 and gluing them down on my wreath. Remember that empty spot we left in the middle? We will add some twine to hang our wreath. And I hid my small knot to the bottom portion. Check out my other projects and subscribe for more inspiration. Stay crafty!